So things are warming up over here in Alcudia Beach Resort, and the whole area is getting ready for the summer season for 2025. Now, I have just filmed a huge beach update. If you want to check out that video, I'll drop a link to that in the description text below. I'll also drop it right at the end of this video. But in this video, we're going to take a look at the area of Alcudia Beach. And as you know, this whole resort is enormous, but we're going to walk from Alcudia Beach up through Alcudia Beach Resort in the direction of the Strip. We're going to see what's open, and we'll check out the location of some big hotels. So let's turn the camera around and let's see what Alcudia Beach is like today. So check out Alcudia Beach Resort today. You can see that the beach is being cleaned and the sand is being fluffed up as well, ready for the season ahead. Got quite a few people out running today actually. It's not that hot. We have highs today of 17 degrees Celsius. So as I look to my left hand side here, look, we can see the first beach bar opening over here on Alcudia Beach. But if you want to see what else is going on Alcudia Beach, make sure you check out my video, because you may well be surprised to see that everything isn't quite open down here as it should be. But let's leave behind the beach today and let's head on back up into the resort. And you can see that I'm just to the right here of the Sunwing Hotel. So many of the hotels over here in Alcudia Beach Resort are just getting ready to open. We can hear lots of drilling all over the island as well, but look, just looking to my left hand side here, the Sunwing isn't quite open yet. I'll just pop the camera over, which I won't be able to do in a few weeks because they will have guests in, but just to give you an idea of what this area is like. Look, got a little kids pool here too, looks very nice. But let's head on back into Alcudia Beach Resort. So I am filming this in April and the whole island is coming to life now. All the shops, bars and restaurants are opening for the summer season. But if you are coming over here for an early season break, well, do not expect to find everything open like you would do in maybe June, July and August. May the 1st is really the official opening date for tourism over here in Mallorca. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that we have had quite an early opening in other areas of the island, such as Palma Nova, Magaluf and Santa Ponsa. But over here in Alcudia, well, it takes a little bit of time for things to open up, and you're going to see much more open right at the beginning of May. Now I'm just looking down the back of the Sunwing Hotel here. Look, they're just clearing up the grounds. See, they've also got a little crazy golf course here. Let's head on up onto the roadside. So Alcudia Beach Resort does differ from many of the other resorts around the island in that we don't have this beach facing promenade, and there is a main road which lies right behind all these lovely villas and apartments. And this is quite a residential area, albeit an area pretty much based on holiday rentals and private lets. Let's head on up towards the roadside. So you can see I have come up to the area right in front of the main shopping centre over here in Alcudia Beach Resort. I've got quite a walk now down towards Alcudia Strip, but I'm going to fast track up to where we can see which shops are open over here right at the beginning of April. So we can just see the buses running along the main road here in front of me. If you are staying anywhere in Alcudia Beach Resort, don't forget the 324 bus runs from Alcudia Port all the way along down towards the bottom of Alcudia Strip over to Playa de Moro and in the direction of Can Picafor. Those buses go very frequently during the summer months as well, and there are plenty of stops along the way too. But anyway, as we come along to the main road here, if you are staying in the area of the Sunwing and over to this far side of Alcudia Beach Resort, we're going to see, look, we've got a little supermarket. This is open year round. It's also amazing value as well. If you are holidaying here on a budget, you can easily pick up lunch very cheaply in there from the bakery section. I think it's pretty standard Europe-wide, so you kind of know what to expect over in Lidl. We also have a little cluster of bars and restaurants to my right hand side as well. We'll check those out as we go on into the summer. Look, I've just seen the 324 bus go by. That's on its way down towards Alcudia Port, and that's come from the direction of Can Picafor. So let's head on up and across the road. So we're just heading up towards Burger King here. Now I have seen comments on the channel from viewers who have actually asked me about the Burger King and where they can find a Burger King. because I do believe that they do some fantastic vegetarian burgers, and also I do believe they do gluten-free burgers too, which are probably pretty hard to find. So here it is. Anyway, here is your Burger King if this is something that you're looking for. There's also a nightclub as well. Look, we've got the Banana nightclub just in front of me. The entrance is just right out here, just in front. But we're going to head off in this direction and in the direction of Alcudia Strip. So not everything is open over here in Alcudia Beach Resort at the moment. Look, you can see we've got quite a few works still underway, but as we go along the walk today, we're going to find plenty open. Let's keep heading along to the next area of shops, bars and restaurants. So, as you may well have read in the local media, most of the horses and carts have been replaced this summer by electric tuk-tuks. So you will be able to get around Alcudia Beach Resort, but just not by horses and carts. Anyway, we're just coming up to a whole line of beach shops already open for summer 2025, which is fantastic to see. But we've yet to see the opening here of some of the bars. So I'm just coming up by the Fox's Arms. I suspect most of these places will be opening when we have the big hotels open. I'm just going to take a quick look at the BQ Delfin Azul hotel and see if that's yet opened. I suspect it hasn't actually, because I'm pretty sure these places here, like the Puentecito, will also open when the Delfin Azul opens. If you want to see what this hotel is like to stay in, I did stay over here a few summers ago, and I do have a hotel review on the channel. I'll also drop that link in the description text below this video. So as you can see, the hotel is still closed. However, I have had a very quick look online, and this will be opening on April the 11th. Let's head on back up to the high street. Now I suspect that is pretty much going to be the date that you're going to see these little surrounding bars and restaurants are opening up, just to tie in with the opening date of the hotel. As soon as holidaymakers arrive, it's going to start getting a little bit busier around this area. There's going to be lots more choice and a lot more open, but we do have hotels open over here already. So let's keep walking up in the direction of Alcudia Strip and let's see what else is open today. So I'm just standing right in front of the BQ Delfin Azul hotel. I'm just looking over to my right here. Look, I can see a group hotel as well over here in Alcudia. Right in front of me, I can see the Mississippi Hotel. I've never actually heard of that before, in all honesty. So just to give you an idea of where these hotels are located, and you can see how far it was to the beach as well. It's about a 5-minute walk. But we're just following the main road here in the direction of Alcudia Strip. So we're just passing by some other restaurants over here which do still look very closed. Most of the shops have opened up down here though. And I'm just looking up to my right hand side here over towards Alcudia Beach Hotel and the canal which runs right down the middle of the resort. Can't see the spa shop open over here either just yet, but once again I'm pretty sure that's going to tie in with the opening of most of the hotels. This video will be useful actually if you are thinking of coming out for a very early season break next year, what you can expect right at the beginning of April. And we're coming up to our first open restaurant on this strip here. This is the Everest. And in line actually with the arrival of the new beach bars, look, we've got some good value over here. Look, small beer, €1.95. A pint of lagers, €3.90, which is really nice to see. Let's have a quick look at the menu board as well. Let me just have a quick look at what you can expect. Look, a sandwich is €4.50. Hamburgers are from €8.95. Salads are for around €7. Okay, so we're going to head up Avenida de Mexic. I think they've missed the O off. Should be Mexico maybe. I don't know, but we're going to head on around this area of Alcudia Beach Resort. We've got a little cluster of hotels. I'm going to be making an Alcudia Strip video as well, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to catch that video, and also don't forget to enable the notifications bell too. But we're just going to take a little walk down here and see what's open. Now this area just off Alcudia, off the main road here, is home to some very big hotels, which we'll see in just a moment. So looking straight out in front of me, I can see the lagoon centre. We've got the Viva Sunrise just to my left-hand side here. We're going to take a left in the direction of Alcudia Strip. We are on Carrer de la Storia. If you do want a map reference here, look, you can just see. Let's head on down. Well, to my left-hand side, I do know that we've got a very large hotel here, which is very popular with cyclists. I can see it's not actually open. It's the Astoria Playa. It's a huge, huge hotel. At least I don't think it's open. Is it open? It might well be actually. I can see the door is revolving. I can see some people coming out of it as well. Maybe it is open because this hotel is very popular with cyclists. But you can see how huge Alcudia Beach Resort is. Just check out down this avenue here. Look, got huge apartment blocks stretching all the way back from the beach. Just bear that in mind actually if you are staying over here, that particularly if you've got mobility issues, you may well be in for a little bit of a walk to the beach depending how far set back you are in the resort. During the summer, to my left hand side here, look, we've got a little strip of bars, restaurants, shops. I think there's a nightclub here as well. Nothing's really open down here at the moment. But to my right hand side here, look, we're just coming up past I think this is the Mallorca Hotel. We'll have a look just around the corner. The swimming pool is looking very blue, but I don't think it's receiving any guests just yet. Now I can hear some music coming out from in here. You can see the pool in front of me. I wouldn't do this during the summer if there are guests by the pool, but this looks actually very nice. But to my left here, look, you can see Bell's Disco and Club. Let me know if you have parties here over the summer. So as you can see, we are approaching Alcudia Strip. I'm right in front of the Allure Boccaccio, but we're not going to walk up the strip. I'm going to save that for another video. We're going to turn back round again and just walk down the side of these huge hotels so you can just get an idea of where you may well be staying this summer. Okay, so just coming up by the inside Meliá, we're just going to take a left here down Carrer Tamarins. And look, you can see here, look, the rooms right outside the back of the inside Meliá, they are in the shade in the afternoon, and I am filming this in the early afternoon. This will be lovely actually in the summer when it's very, very hot. Earlier on in the season, you might find it a little bit cold to be sitting out on your balcony in the afternoon, but then I guess that you're probably going to be on the beach or around the pool. So as we continue walking up, we can see we're just coming up towards the corner of the JS Alcudia. Now the more we walk back into Alcudia Beach Resort here, and we are now running more or less parallel to Alcudia Strip, you can just see the range of accommodation that we do have down here. So many hotels, and there'll be so many holiday makers here in a few weeks, I hope actually. There's also going to be a supermarket opening up here as well. We can see it's not open just yet. Once again, that's going to tie in with all the hotels opening. Now I'm doing this walk now while it's cool actually. We've got a lovely breeze blowing. It's about 17 or 18 degrees Celsius. Give it another month or so and it's going to be too hot to do this walk during the middle of the day at least. So we're just coming up past the back of the Viva Hotel here. Look how nice that is. All the rooms look really, really modern. I do get asked if I can do hotel tours, but obviously I have to be invited in by the hoteliers to do that, and many of them don't like us pesky YouTubers heading on in and making videos, apart from a few actually. I have got a few hotel reviews on the channel, and of course I ask your opinion as well. So if you are over here, you want to let me know what your hotel stay is like to help out other holiday makers, do let me know. You'll see me out and about around the resorts. But look, I'm just looking up at the back of the sold Alcudia Port Hotel. It's an A10 hotel property. Just walking right down the middle of the road here. Don't seem to have any traffic at the moment. But these back rooms as well, these fall into the shade in the afternoon. You've got full sunshine here at the Viva Hotel on this side. I suspect as well, I'm just walking down the side of the pool, I can see some barley beds here. Should we have a little peek over the side actually? I don't think it's open, let's have a quick look. And yes, look, it is actually closed, but you can see this is quite a nice family hotel. See, they've got a nice pool area for kids. What is going on right behind me here? Now, I wasn't expecting to see building works over here behind Alcudia Strip, but they are digging up this area. If you are staying over at this Viva hotel here, just make sure that these works will not affect your stay. And this is right outside the Solda Alcudia apartments as well. So if you are also staying in the Solda Alcudia apartments, check that these are going to be done and dusted before you come out. I suspect they will be, they must be. I don't think they're going to have building works rolling on into the summer season, but then again, who knows? So we've just come out here into the canal area right at the back here of Alcudia Beach Resort. You can see the lagoon centre up ahead. Just panning the camera around because we can see the Bellevue Hotel in the distance, which means that we are approaching the top of the strip. As I come around to my left here, we can see the Terence Chippy Fish and Chips. This area does need a little bit of doing up, I have to say. It does need a little bit of the Palma Nova touch with a little bit of investment into Alcudia. But maybe that is coming, who knows? But you can see the bridge in front of me, which signals that we are approaching Alcudia Strip, but I'll save that for another video. In the meantime, you can see I'm just coming up by the side of Joker's. It says, we open Tuesday the 1st and you are welcome, which is today, which is absolutely fantastic to know. So there you have it. We do have some things open over here in Alcudia Beach Resort right at the beginning of the season. Okay, so as you can see, everything is starting to open up over here in Alcudia Beach Resort, but we are still waiting for the opening of all the big hotels. Now, I hope this video has proved useful in terms of finding out the location of some of the main hotels over here in Alcudia Beach Resort. If you want to check out what Alcudia Beach Resort is like right at the beginning of April, check out this video appearing here on YouTube. Also check out this video appearing here too to help you out with your holiday. Okay, everyone, don't forget you can also find me in the Facebook group and on my Instagram, also called Mallorca Under the Sun, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Goodbye for now.